As I look at this problem, I realize that it's not written in standard form. So, what do I got to do to make it look like it's in standard form? Can somebody help me? Well, there's nothing to expand. Well, what's our goal though? What do you notice between what I have written on the left-hand side and what's written on the right-hand side? We literally just did a problem like this. So what did we do in the last problem? Yeah, this is the standard form, right? But what's the difference between this one and this one? Yes. Yeah, this one is solved for 0. This one isn't. So this one we got to solve for 0. The one on the left we got to solve for 0. So the way that I do that is I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And we're not going to solve this whole thing. We're just going to set it up for the formula. Okay? So when I do that, I get 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 4. Now what do I do? Am I done? It kind of looks like ax squared plus bx plus c. Am I done? Compare this one to this one. All of you that think that I'm done, go ahead and raise your hand real quick. All of you think I need to do something else, raise your hand. Okay, can somebody tell me what the something else is? Yes. 4 on both sides. So the reason for that is, remember, we're solving for 0. And it's not set equal to 0. Now it is. Now I've got 0 over here, and then I've got 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. So now that means that my a term is 2. Remember that a is just the number in front of the x squared. My b term is negative 3. Remember, that is the number in front of x to the first power. And then lastly, my c term is negative 1 because that is just the constant, all by its lonesome. So when I go to do this formula thing, I'm going to say x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So then I would say minus 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 5, all over 2 times a, which is 2. And we're just going to leave it there because our only goal was really just to fill out the formula, just to plug it into the formula. Okay? And that's it for that one.